Good morning, Bowtie David here for Bowtie Life, where we talk mostly about life in the garden on YouTube. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Recently, I realized I made a big mistake. I did not save seeds from our sugar snow peas this year at all. And when I pulled out the looked for the package, there was none left. So, just word of warning: if you're gonna save seeds like these beans, this is the Blue Lake stringless pole bean, which we love. Look at that beautiful seed coming out of there. Just let them dry and collect your seeds. Please subscribe, don't miss a thing. From that one bowl of seeds saved, we got over 100 good seeds. I only need 64 for the season, plus 60 more that might grow. Have a blessed day.